guys, welcome back to my bathroom. Today we're gonna do a hair mask. Oh my god, so exciting. No, actually I'm really excited to use this mask. I've been holding on to it for a few weeks and it smells so good. This is one of those Lush hot oil treatments and it has a zero waste. These are the instructions and it's really easy to use. So I'm gonna show you what you need. You're gonna need some hair, preferably some dirty hair, maybe some damaged hair, a jar, is a mask, and some boiling water. Okay, so I boiled some water. This is gonna go like that, and we're just gonna pour in about a cup. Sorry if the lighting changed. I got a ring light and I'm trying to figure out how to use it. If you have any tips, let me know. So look at that. I don't even need to hold it upright anymore. It's very much like a paste. I've now lost the tip and that's it. While this cools, I'm gonna tell you a little bit what was in that mask. Jojoba and olive oils hydrate hair, adding shine and improvising its strength, while nettle, rosemary, and peppermint tone the scalp for a refreshing sensation. With a stimulating blend of bay cinnamon leaf and clove bud oils, new, that's what it's called, is one to reach for when you want to give your hair new life. Ooh, that's exactly what I'm doing this year. New life. Okay, no. But I think we're just gonna start slathering it on. So make sure your top matches. Okay, so I just finished putting that in, about half of it in my hair. This is what I have left. It's, I would say that's half of it. So it's like an entire second use. These things are $10, so I think it's a good deal. So it's just up in a bun. It stays in for 20 minutes. I might leave it longer just because I really like the oils to soak in. Yeah. And then we're gonna shampoo and conditioner it up. So see you in 20. Okay, so now I'm out of the shower. I just brushed my hair, so it's all tangle-free. It was kind of hard to get all of the residue out of my hair, but I just kind of scrubbed it out with the shampoo. But it still feels really thick and nourished and oily, if that makes any sense. But anyway, I'm still gonna add in a tiny bit of my everyday way oil. So I just use like 3 pumps. Just work it all over my hair like this. Now for the sake of this video, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, but normally I just let my hair air dry, or if I need to touch it up, because it does dry fast. Okay, so there you have it. My hair's blow dried now. It's so soft. So that's how you use a Lush hair mask.
As you can see, my hair is so shiny and soft, much thicker and moisturized, and my ends are less split. It's really easy to use and a quick pick-me-up for your hair.
Thank you for watching, and don't go away. Subscribe, like, stay tuned.